Hi, my name is Brian, and this is how to enter a subtract value in columns. So now in Microsoft Excel, you can enter negative values into columns, but if you use the subtract minus symbol, then that could be construed by Excel as a formula entry, which maybe will make the numbers subtract instead of putting in negative numbers. So in order to write negative numbers in Microsoft Excel, you have to use parentheses. So I have Microsoft Excel open right here. And in order to add a negative number, I'm going to write, let's say, 96. Now, if I want to make this a negative 96, I'm going to put parentheses around 96. And in Excel speak, that means negative. So now it shows up as negative 96 in column D2.